Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Are you ready to bring your book idea to life in Notion? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to write a book using Notion's free book template. By the end of this video, you'll have a professional-looking foundation for your book project that you can easily tweak and personalize, so you can focus more on your writing and less on the setup. Let's jump right in. The first thing we'll be doing is taking advantage of Notion's built-in templates. These templates are fantastic because they provide you with a polished layout and structure, which means you don't have to start from scratch and you'll end up with a book project that looks organized and professional, no matter how much experience you have with Notion. Think of it like using the scaffolding for a building. It gives you a solid framework to build upon, while you can always change things up to make it uniquely yours later. So here's how you get started. At the top left corner of your Notion workspace, you'll see a little drop-down menu. If you pause for a moment and click on it, you'll notice a section called More Options. This is where Notion keeps its handy templates. Go ahead and select Browse Templates. Now you'll see a variety of templates for different workflows and projects, but for our book, we want to search specifically for something book-related. In the search bar, just type in book, and you'll see several template options pop up. Don't rush this part, take a moment to glance through them. Each template has its own style and features, so if you see one that matches the vibe you're going for, that's probably a good fit. For example, some book templates focus more on chapter organization, while others emphasize brainstorming or outlines. Once you've found the template you like, simply click on it and hit the Add button to bring it into your workspace. The template will load automatically, and this is where the fun really begins. You've now set yourself up with a neat environment tailored for book writing, with sections and pages already created for essentials like chapters, notes, and outlines. Instead of staring at a blank page, you have a roadmap right in front of you. With your template in place, you can begin adding your credentials like your name, book title, and anything else you want to showcase either to yourself or later to potential readers. Notion makes it really easy to edit these fields. Just click in the space and start typing. You can also go ahead and add creative elements such as cover images, banners, or even inspirational quotes. Little touches like these can make the project feel more personal and help maintain your motivation. If you want to take things a step further, Notion lets you customize almost every aspect of your template. So if you want to change the color scheme, add new sections for brainstorming or character development, or rearrange the chapters to fit your workflow, it's all right at your fingertips. Don't hesitate to tweak it. Remember, this is your book. And that's it. You've got your book project set up in Notion using a template, and you're ready to start filling in those pages. If you get stuck or aren't sure what to add next, just take a breath. There's no rush. Templates are there to guide you, not restrict you. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. And if you've got questions or want to share your own Notion book setup, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials to help you get the most out of your creative projects in Notion. Thanks so much for watching, and happy writing.